Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on how Hugh works on his bike, I have some of these Tannus Armour tire liners I'm going to put into my my Surface Shred or Surface 604 Shred. I got a flat the other day, patched it, but I don't want to get any more flats. Sometimes I'm a lot of miles away from home, and that's a long way to push this big old heavy bike. So let me show you how I do this. Well, I don't have a bike stand, so I'm going to try a couple of things. We'll see how that goes. So I have this rack on here, so I have to loosen it up. I know there's a fancy tool for letting the air out. I don't feel like going and grabbing it. Okay, so you want to break the bead loose. It's not hard to do on these big soft tires. So have a couple tire tools. Don't be afraid of getting big ones, motorcycle size. See, because they'll stretch to the disc. Tried one of the slime liners. I don't know if it works or not because I decided to go with these other liners first. So there's the old tube. That's the reason I'm putting these in. I don't want to do that anymore. Okay, so this is the Tannus Armour. Some kind of medium density foam. See how hard it is to get the go in. Okay, you got to wrestle it just a little bit. Okay. So I've got the bead in on one side. Now it says to feed in the tube about an inch under, so there's a chart tells you exactly which one. So I went with the specialized airlock tube, so it's similar to the slime tube, so it's got some kind of goo inside of it, so that even if something was to go through this, and I don't know that something will, I mean, I guess a nail, giant nail. So got the specialized tube. Tube up in there. Okay, I got that in there. Now I got to wrestle it to get the rest of it in. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. It's pretty cool. Okay, so that fully covers the tube. I like that. Okay, there we go. Now the one thing it doesn't do is tell you how much air to put into it. So I'm thinking maybe the same amount because it is a smaller tube. So 20 to 35. I'm running on dirt and sand, so let's go throw 20 pounds in it, see what that looks like. Undo this plug here. Okay. Oh, did that show? Oh, good, it did. Okay, you got to undo that plug. Okay, so that it'll fit in my my bag, I have a shorty. Okay, it's a little shorty, 18 millimeter. Made this out of a piece of tubing that was given to me. A little breaker bar. Okay, we got that in there, looks like. As you can see, fighting with that back wheel was really rough for me as a non-bicycle guy. You put your glasses on when you do it on the passenger side, that side over there. It has, the axle is shaved on the side, so it only goes in one direction. And even after you get that one direction, it's tough because there's spacers in there. And my recommendation is, if you're gonna have any work done on that back tire, take it to a bike guy. Don't even, that's what I'm gonna do next time. Well, maybe not. Next time I'll do it myself. Hopefully there's nothing to do, because I've got the puncture resistant liners in there. So we'll see how it goes. Have a great day. Out.